My name is Lisa Shea, and I am with the Blackstone Valley Art Association. Thanks to the kind support of the Spencer Cultural Council, the BVAA is offering a fun selection of drawing, painting, and other artwork to celebrate the beauty of Spencer, Massachusetts. In 1686, 8 square miles in central Massachusetts was purchased by men near Boston. They called the land Strawberry Hill. It was incorporated as Leicester in 1713. At the time, Leicester had 2 halves. The western half was settled by the original proprietors who bought the land. The eastern half was given to new settlers. If you look at the E in the center of the map, the town of Leicester is just above it. It is in between Worcester and Brookfield. The western half of Leicester was first settled in 1717. The first permanent settlement there came in 1721 by Samuel Bemis. By 1744, the western half of Leicester wanted its own parish. About 10 years later, that parish then officially became its own town of Spencer on April 12, 1753. You can see Spencer and Leicester side by side here. Spencer was named after the man who was acting governor of Massachusetts at the time, Spencer Phipps. Did you know that the famous inventor Elias Howe lived in Spencer? Spencer used to be known for its mills and factories. In modern times, Spencer has many delightful places to explore. One of them is the St. Joseph's Abbey, shown here in the top center. The Abbey holds monks from the Cistercian order of the Strict Observance, also known as Trappists. The order was formed in 1098. This land in Spencer was the Alta Crest Farm. It was purchased by the monks in 1949. The first Mass was celebrated in 1953. This delightful Trappist monastery creates delicious jams and jellies, as well as a Spencer Trappist ale. The Blackstone Valley Art Association is honored to help you explore your creativity using the beauty of Spencer as an inspiration. Come join us to draw, color, ink, paint, and treasure the sights of Spencer. Thank you again to the Spencer Cultural Council for making this celebration possible.